Hello, myself Dr. V. Sumangala, former Professor of Education, University of Calicut, Kerala, is proud and feel honored to speak on the significance of statistical applications in educational research in the event of organizing an online course on statistical applications through SPSS. You may know we are in the data age and the discipline data science is well developed, which is the art and science of empowering people to acquire knowledge and to answer many questions by processing the data or information of any domain, whether it be IT, education, finance, planning, budgeting, research, and the like. Data scientists do this by means of a variety of data analytical tools developed so far, like SPSS, SAS, Excel, R programming, RapidMiner, Python, and the like. Of these, SPSS and Excel are the two data analytical tools which are extensively used by researchers in education. Even though these two tools can be mechanically used with a good knowledge of computer operations, to my opinion is that each and every researcher ought to have a good knowledge of the statistical applications, and that is of the what, why, when, where, and how of each one of the treatments in order to obtain appropriate results for answering the research questions posed by the investigator. For statistical applications are the powerful tool, especially of quantitative data, to get an intelligent summary of the data at hand by reducing the myriad of data values and facts to a few explanatory measures that will give an idea of what descriptions and what inferences are to be drawn for the study. To achieve this aim, statistical applications are to be approached with certain considerations. These considerations are very prime, and among these, the first one is with regard to the validity of the data. That is, garbage in, garbage out. If the data is reliable and valid, so will be the outcomes of the study. The second one is that a picture or visualization is often worth 1,000 words. No explanation is needed in this. 3. The real beauty of statistical applications lies on the inferential part, which is wholly dependent on the probability theory. Next one. The bread and butter of inferential statistics is Student's T, which is the test of significance of difference between means of comparable groups. Next one. Non-parametric techniques of statistical applications are equally effective to parametric testings in order to derive expected results. Along with these, some prime questions are also to be asked by the investigators before attempting statistical applications, and these are: 1. What is the research design and what are the research questions to be asked, to be answered? 2. What type of variables are involved in the study? Quantitative or numerical, or qualitative or categorical? Depending upon the processing of data will be different. In the case of quantitative data, a number of statistical applications are there that can be used through SPSS. With regard to qualitative data, we have to do for each and every study, depending upon the nature of the data and of the characteristics involved. The third one, what is the scale of measurement of the variables? Whether it is nominal, ordinal, interval, or ratio. This depends upon the operational definitions given to the variables involved in the study, and this is very, very important in the selection of statistical application or selection of statistical treatment to be given. That is, the operational definitions that are given in a particular study for the variables are very, very important in determining the appropriateness of the statistical applications. Next one, do the distribution of the variables, especially of the criterion variable, follow normal distribution or not? This also is very important. If the distribution do not follow a normal distribution, then we have to go for non-parametric tests. That is the reason. Next one, whether data is of large sample or of small samples. Whether data is of independent samples or of dependent samples. Then, next, how to infer and communicate the results effectively and fruitfully. With this short talk, or I tried to convey you a little bit of the message on the significance of statistical applications in educational research or in any research. All the wishes for the success of the program. Thanks to teacher Dr. Sumi.